This time on Craig, JD and Mike.
Is it knocking? Give it a rev. We are back, like Dumb and Dumber. We have a new project in the workshop. This is a 2009 MX5 with a very unhealthy engine.
That's why it's here.
Do you want to explain how we've come to have such a hairdresser's car? I mean, we have good hairdo, right? So.
So this car doesn't belong to either of us. This is the first project we're actually going to be doing for someone else.
Yeah.
It belongs to a good friend of mine, Ben. He's been doing all my custom fabrication work on loads of projects over the years.
Yeah.
And I approached him about doing the fabrication work on the Fusion. And he said, look, I tell you what, if I sort your fabrication work out, can you sort my poorly MX5 out? And I said, yeah, no problem, what you got in mind? It's a 2 litre at the moment. And he's like, well, I don't know, but it's blown up. So.
Obviously, we couldn't just put a 2 litre back in it.
So yeah, we today are gonna 2.5 swap this from the Mazda 6.
Which the Mazda 6 donor just happens to be the same colour as well. So stay tuned as we start taking this car apart. We are Craig, JD and Mike. I'm gonna get back for this. 3 mates, building, reviving and racing the most unexpected cars on the internet. From forgotten BMWs to sleeper family cars. If it's fast, broken or a bit ridiculous, we are on it. So, if you love fast cars, bad ideas, and crazy road trips, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us for all the chaos. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is see how bad this 2 litre engine is, because we still want to use part of it. So, trusty jump pack to Michael. And whilst Mike plugs the jump back in, you and me are going to sit in the MX5 and see if we can get him to start. First time. Is it knocking? Give it a rev. That sounds all right to me, Mike. All right, let's get this engine out on the floor and then we can compare it to the 2.5 litre. So we're pretty much there with getting the engine out. We've got to take it down on the whole subframe. So as you can see, Mike and I have pretty much got everything out now. So I'm going to bring the car down, put the engine on the tray that we've got, and hopefully when we lift it back up, the subframe, the engine and everything stays put and the car detaches. Fingers crossed. All right, so we've got the engine and the gearbox all out of the car. It's all bolted down to the front subframe, so we've got everything as one piece, which interestingly is exactly how the M cars are put together as well. Anyway, the next job that we've got to do is to take the gearbox off the engine, then we're going to take the engine out of the subframe and then start comparing it side by side once we've got the 2.5 out of the Mazda. All right, the 2 litres out the car, it's out the engine cradle, and Mike has stripped it right down, saving the parts that we need for the 2.5. The 2.5, however, is still in the Mazda 6, which is on my drive back in Bournemouth. So guess what we're doing tomorrow? All right, so you've seen the MX5 that we're gonna build. What you haven't seen is where the engine's gonna come from. This is a Mazda 6, and this comes with a 2.5 litre petrol engine. So very similar to what you see people do with the Hondas, with the K24s and the K20s. The 2 litre Ford engine goes on top of the 2.5 Mazda engine, and then we have a nice Frankenstein engine made from a Ford and Mazda combination. But when we put this inside the MX5, what we're hoping is going to get a really cheap drift car, or at least something a bit more fun anyway. The only problem with these Mazda 6s is they're completely worthless. We picked this whole car up for £250, runs, drives, even has an MOT, but nothing on the car is worth selling whatsoever. So the aim of the game today is to get this engine out as quickly as humanly possible using the grinder. I think we'll be able to get the engine out with our friend Segan and all the baby Segans.
Oh, that was easy.
Right, with that, we have one 2.5 litre Ford stroke Mazda engine ready for our MX5, and the rest of the car is going straight to the scrapyard. Right, with that, we've got everything we need off the Mazda 6. This is quite literally, we don't even want the gearbox. This is all that we want for the MX5. That Mazda is ready to get loaded on that trailer and get taken down the scrapyard.
And it is going like this. Nothing's being sold off it. It's going in the bin, complete. I'm not dealing with any more messes.
It is literally £250 to buy a Mazda. These engines sell for £600 or £700 on their own. So although it's 2 hours worth of work, it's the cheapest option. So, right, let's get this in storage for when we pick the MX5 up soon, and then get that done the scrapyard.
This on the trailer.
Thank you so much for watching this episode. If you want to see what we're going to do with this MX5 and how it's all going to turn out, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.